Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet bracelets for ladies. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video. All of these designs are of different crochet patterns. You will see patchwork patterns like floral patches attached together like this one, and you will see one row repeat or two row repeat patterns, and you will see very attractive and beautiful designs of lace crochet patterns of bracelets in this video as well. And all of these designs are in different sizes and having different closures for bracelets. You can see in this design a bead closure is made, and you will see button closures in most of the designs as well, and some of the designs are having lock hooks on them as well. So different kinds of designing ideas are included in this video with different embellishments, and most of the designs are also having beadwork in them. So seed beads are also added in some of the designs, and you will also see some designs with crystal beads as well in smaller size. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas. These are casual designs mostly, so you can see most of the designs without beadwork as well, so you can use them in your casual routine and you can make them very easily if you know crochet work. Very beginner friendly patterns are included in this video, which are very simple and easy to make, having single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch or double crochet stitch mostly in them. Most of the designs are having single crochet or double crochet stitch patterns, like this one is simply made with single crochet stitch pattern, and you can see this beautiful design having a double crochet stitch round pattern made on a magic ring. And you can see the other different patterns as well, which are having broomstick patterns and other different crochet patterns with beadwork inside them as well, like this one. So just give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel to get more ideas videos like this. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of crochet stuff ideas and all other handmade products ideas available on my channel too. So also let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing crochet tutorial videos, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, crochet tutorials are also available. So you can let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, and also share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.